Dear friends, today I decided to do an unboxing of the interesting product and a light review of this one. It is light curing lamp by Eighteeth that is called CuringPen-E. This is an interesting device and I hope it will be interesting. This review will be interesting for those who are searching for the new light curing lamp with a good quality and pretty acceptable price. I would like to mention that I use this product for more than 3 years and I'm very happy and satisfied with the quality and the abilities that this lamp gives to me and to our dental courses as well. So let's see what is inside. Okay, so here we have an instruction with the different languages. You will read it, I think, I hope, because everything that is medical use you have to read instructions just to be oriented well. Here we have also a warranty card. Here we have, let's go. So here we have the light filter. We'll keep it here. Then let's check what is inside this box. So 1, 2, here we have a charger, which is pretty simple. It is also has the mark about the technical specifications, just in case if you will miss it somewhere, you will have to take a picture of that, I think, and then you will buy some similar in any store, electric store you have nearby. Okay, then we have this box. Let's check what's there. Okay, so here we have a tube itself, which is very nicely looking, white with a light window. I'll keep it here. Then we have a special single-use covers, which is also very hygienic. I would suggest to use this kind of stuff because your lamp will be as new all the time and your dental assistant will be happy because of the disinfection process. Okay, and here we have the lamp itself. Let's check how it does look like. So here is the lamp. Here we have a stand. Okay, so here is the stand. What is useful in this stand? Here we have the QR code that you can use to scan and to see some specifications online. And also at this site you can see the modes of the lamp. We have 5 modes and I will give a very brief review of these modes, what are interesting about that. Let's open the lamp. Let's place the tube on. Okay, so here we have the tube that is 360 rotatable, which is very useful when you work on the upper jaw, on the lower jaw, so you can find the correct position of the tube, so your finger will get into the activating button very easy. Now let's activate it. Just press. Okay, and here we have modes which we can use in our daily practice. For example, when I press M, which is mode number 1, it's normal, which is around, we can read all the time here. If you will forget, you can read here in the back side of the stand. So the option number 1 is 1200 milliwatts per centimeter. It's light intensivity, so that's the normal mode. Then mode number 2, this is our mode number 2, it's high. So here we have the power of the light and light intensivity is raised to 2000 milliwatts. The mode number 3, it's intense. I would like to highlight that it is 3000 milliwatts, which means you will use this mode if you would like to reach the space and somebody from the moon or from the Mars will see your light from the Earth, or you would like to light cure up to the apex of the root. I'm joking for sure, but there is this kind of light intensivity. You probably prefer this kind of option, like to speed up the process of the polymerization. So here we have the mode number 4, which is pulse. Let's try how it looks like. When you press, it will be pulsing like this. And here we have also a possibility to go to option number 5. It is RAM mode. So it's like a soft start. So it starts slowly, and after 7-10 seconds it will get up to the full power of the light intensivity. So it acts like a soft start. So the range of these options is very multiply. It's actually let you choose whatever you want. And I would like also to highlight that this device has a spectrum of the light from 330 nanometers up to 550, as I remember. So basically, this range of the light spectrum is very good for a variety of different composite resins. So basically, using this kind of device, you can really cure any available composite resin in the market in the present days. Design of this lamp is very sophisticated. It's nice looking. It's very nice sense when you hold it in our hand. It's not some kind of the toy from the kids store. It's a real medical device at the same time with a nice sophisticated design, as I told you. And we use it for more than 3 years without any changes. Actually, it's fine. The power of the light on the tester actually also acceptable. And I would like to say that we also are equipped with these lamps on our hands-on courses, and our participants were able to test them and to use them during our intensive hands-on sessions on composite resin or veneer cementation process, choosing different modes, and all of them were very satisfied. And we have also positive feedbacks from our colleagues from all over the world around this device. So if you are searching for a good device with a nice design, very good quality, and with very acceptable price, I think this CuringPen-E from Eighteeth can be recommended for you as the device of choice. Hope this video was useful for you. Stay tuned, and may the dental force be with you.